All right, so this next one's all about custom blocks. So hopefully you know in Rise you can actually build your own custom layouts, kind of like you would in Storyline or even PowerPoint. Well, the custom blocks just got even better with a new series of audio guides templates. So you have even more options to work from. So let me show you how this new audio guides works. All right, so here we are in my template. I'm going to scroll down, and I don't have anything here on the slide yet. So let's open up our blocks library. And we have to come all the way down here to the bottom. There's custom blocks. So you have the option to begin with a blank slide, and then you can see all of the different templates that you have options for. So here's our audio guides. You can see the different ways that you can work with audio. You've got a block up there, guided progress, key takeaways, reflection block, simple progress check. Fantastic options for working with audio. I'm just going to come up here. I'll add this guided progress check right here. So I'll click that. And real quick, notice that the thumbnails just shows the default template, the orange template that is based on your default theme in Rise. But I have blue, I have different fonts, so it immediately adapts to the template that I'm using. So to edit these audio guides or any blocks template, you just come over to the pencil icon, just like you would in the other block, and you're kind of taken to this new different window right here. So what I want to do is maybe make this a little bit wider, and I can just drag out the canvas, and you can also see, the handy option up here if you want to set the specific width and height. I can just drag this out a little bit, and so on. And one thing I really like about working with audio here is that if I were to, let's just make this a little bit bigger. If you have multiple audio tracks in a single custom block, the really neat thing here is that, well, I didn't want to select that. I'm just going to bring this down a little bit. So if I'm just going to duplicate this a couple times and just arrange them real quick. So it's obviously the same audio in there. But what's nice is if you start to play one of the audio clips, the other ones are automatically going to toggle off. So the learner doesn't have to come in and pause, push play to hear one, push pause, go on to the next one, push play. As soon as they click play on any one of them, it's automatically going to toggle off the other clips. So let me do this. I'll keep that the way it is. I'm going to return to my normal lesson. And if I play one of these, you're probably not going to hear anything. I'll click the next one and notice how that automatically stopped. That's a fantastic option for including multiple perspectives or to hear from multiple characters along the way. So I really like that type of approach for working with audio. All right, well, that's the custom block and the new audio guides in Rise. Remember, you can start with one of the built-in templates and tweak it, or you just go with a blank slide and build it all out from scratch. But either way, that's a really easy way to build something that really works for your Rise projects.